Let's get real for a second. October 2025, and crypto's energy feels electric again. After the chaos of 2022 and the slow grind of recovery in 2023, this market's got that same tension we felt right before the 2021 bull run. Except this time, the stakes feel even higher.
Oh, I feel it too. But you know what's wild? Back then, everyone chased memes and hype coins. Now it's about solid tech, real utility, and projects that actually survive the crypto apocalypse.
Exactly. The ones that didn't die in 2022, they evolved. So today, we're breaking down my top 5 cryptos to buy right now. October 2025. These are the tokens that not only survived the last bear cycle, but came out stronger, faster, and smarter.
Okay, let's do this. If history's about to rhyme, I don't want to miss the next verse.
Starting off with number 5, Avalanche, AVAX. Remember when people said Layer 1s were dead after Ethereum dominance? Avalanche didn't get the memo.
Oh man, AVAX, that one's like the comeback kid of smart contract chains. I remember it getting crushed during the 2022 bear, from around $130 down to single digits.
Yep, people wrote it off. But Avalanche quietly rebuilt. Subnets matured. Enterprise partnerships kicked in. And by late 2024, it became a hub for institutional tokenization. Real-world assets, real contracts, not just memes.
So, while everyone argued on Twitter/X about Dogecoin, Avalanche was signing deals with banks. Love that energy.
Exactly. Now, in October 2025, AVAX isn't chasing hype. It's securing real adoption. Transaction costs are tiny, and throughput is blazing. This one's primed for another 5x. When the next institutional wave hits...
Okay, if that's number 5, I can't wait for the rest. What's sitting at number 4?
Number 4. Chainlink, L-I-N-K. L-I-N-K, Marines. This one's for you.
Haha. The eternal underdog. It's been around forever, right?
Since the ICO era, yeah. Chainlink aged like fine wine. People doubted oracles until tokenization picked up again in 2024. Then, Chainlink's CCIP started running much of the cross-chain world.
It went from boring middleware to the backbone of DeFi infrastructure.
Exactly. Most institutions connecting systems to blockchains in 2025 are using Chainlink feeds. It's like the DNS layer of finance.
So, boring became beautiful?
Pretty much. And in crypto, boring often means stable money.
I like this. Smart, quiet winners. But give me something with real firepower.
Number 3. Solana, S-O-L.
Ah, the redemption arc. After those FTX ties and the outages in 2022, everyone thought Solana was done.
The headlines buried it. But in 2023, the devs stayed. The ecosystem rebuilt, and the narrative flipped. Solana went from dead chain to being one of the fastest-growing app platforms.
From downtime memes to powering social apps and DeFi in 2025, that's poetic.
The network's speed, improved validator infrastructure, and tools like Phantom and Jupiter turned it into a force again. If history repeats a bit of early 2021 patterns, Sol could retest old highs and beyond.
Okay, who's at number 2?
Number 2. Ethereum, ETH. The king that never really left.
Classic. But what's new in 2025?
2 words. Eigenlayer and L, 2 dominance. Ethereum isn't the slow, Expensive chain it used to be. It's modular now. L2s like Arbitrum, Base, and Blast. They're secured by ETH.
And restaking opened new yield opportunities, right?
Right. Restaking created a new economy. Ethereum still owns developer mindshare. Every serious app, finance, gaming, identity, roots back to ETH.
So, ETH is basically the Apple of crypto. Everyone builds on it. Everyone depends on it.
Exactly. It may not double overnight, but when the bull runs, ETH lifts the whole market.
Drum roll. Who's number one?
Number 1. Bitcoin, BTC. The OG. The North Star.
Of course. After the 2024 halving and ETF approvals, Bitcoin's been strong.
2021 showed the mania. 2022 showed the pain. 2023 to 2024 showed patient accumulation. Now, in 2025, we're seeing conviction. Bitcoin isn't just digital gold. Many institutions treat it as a strategic reserve. And we're seeing signs of sovereign interest again, with some nations quietly exploring BTC reserves.
It's wild. From meme money to global hedge asset.
Exactly. Bitcoin still sits at the center of crypto.
Let me recap. Number 5, Avalanche. Comeback Builders. 4, Chainlink. Oracle Backbone. 3, Solana. Comeback Rocket. 2, Ethereum. Modular Powerhouse. 1, Bitcoin. The Unshakable Core.
Perfect. These projects all share one thing. They survived the storms. 2021's hype, 2022's crash, 2023's uncertainty, and now they're thriving in 2025 clarity.
Inspiring. Market rewards patience. Everyone who held through chaos is finally breathing again.
The strongest profits come from staying the course, not jumping ship.
Real talk, biggest regret?
Selling ETH at $1,200 in 2023. Thought I was smart. I was impatient.
Oof. Mine. Sold Solana for a pair of shoes. Literal sneakers.
At least they were stylish.
Barely. No staking rewards.
Everyone listening, reflect. What's your biggest crypto mistake? Panic selling, chase trades, ignoring research. Learn from it. The next wave rewards knowledge, not noise.
Crypto isn't just buying coins. It's understanding cycles, tech, and emotion.
Couldn't have said it better. 2025 isn't just a market turning point. It's a mindset shift.
So patience really is the secret, huh?
In crypto, patience pays more than panic. Every single time.
That's our wrap. If you made it this far, welcome to the Smart Money crowd.
Hit follow, stay curious, and remember, the future belongs to the ones who stay informed.
And maybe, don't sell your Solana for shoes.
That's the real alpha right there.
This is Cryptolytics. See you in the next one.